New at 6, testing is key to battling coronavirus. A Silicon Valley startup has developed a system now that is a lot more user-friendly, and it's being used in Berkeley right now. KPIX 5's John Ramos explains how it works.
We're told if we're ever going to get a handle on this pandemic, it's going to require a much more efficient testing system. And this little blue kiosk in a Berkeley parking lot may be the start of that. The little booth sitting at the Berkeley Adult School is the first example of walk-up self-testing in the country. Clients pre-register for an appointment, and when it's their turn, they cough 3 to 5 times and then step up to the kiosk. They then take a swab sticking out of a slot, wipe the inside of their mouths for 20 seconds, and put the swab in a plastic vial. From there, it is collected by a technician and sent off for testing.
I didn't realize this was an oral swab coming into it. I was expecting to get jabbed in the sinuses, but no, this was totally easy, totally painless.
As a child care provider, Tracy Shear has already been tested twice with the nasal method that some call brain swabbing.
And the swabbing is quite a bit more painful than what I just experienced. So this is great because it allows sort of us as citizens to participate.
It's the answer to getting us out of this pandemic and this lockdown.
The so-called oral fluid test was created by a company called Curative, a Silicon Valley startup that only began doing COVID testing in March. And its vice president of field operations says because the company is focused solely on the coronavirus, they can provide results in 24 to 48 hours of delivery.
That's what our whole lab capacity is for, and we've built tools and systems just to do this at a pandemic scale.
The walk-up self-test kiosk is a new concept for Curative in partnership with the city of Berkeley. It's scheduled to end on Friday, but those who were tested today don't understand why it should end at all.
I already asked them, are you going to do this again next week and the week after and the week after and the week after? And they don't know yet, but I hope they will.
In Berkeley, John Ramos, KPIX 5.